finish for one or not that one go they come again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Meanwhile, don't come bust everything alias Frank Victor. Una not Frank Victor where they this go people anyhow for social media. He don't fall out for Ajebo. He say more na come here to read for Ajebo. Ajebo, that's all you be. Not be smart you. Frank Victor talk. Now wow, social media don't turn another thing. Social media don't catch fire for everywhere. Make una come here to read. Una go shock lies. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Where we in Nigeria? Wazua, that will be where did it? No one waiting to go again. No zoo, and waiting to go again. That ain't boy. Ajabo.
Go here. Hello?
Hello.
Call. Iran and I will no go. The God will the serve. God all clean your tears today now. All those lies you lie against you, they follow.
Okay.
Minister, talk to us.
Okay, now life you there now.
Now life I did myself.
Now we all day, we did life, they talk. They hear you.
So they not they look the one we did the one you did the watch out.
Yeah, not they look.
Just could they hear you.
Okay.
Have you done here going you do ya go. They do one must do. You do me say
innocent woman. My friend be like a friend you were. Oh my dog be a friend from Nigeria. He's a woman, is a lovely woman. This is the kind of women that can hear dekum. Okona yet joke we are not friends in Nigeria. See Nigeria did it. Many women like Webo. Okoni in Nigeria don't remember anymore. This woman still have the might to still call you and bring you to Europe after she make a little money. But you frustrate this woman. Today, Okona you go. Okona you go and you associate that bag because of your frustration. Kuweki you can go what assume who won't done be done. But I must have been a maburu. Wasungu wagon. Wasungu. You must divide the blow. The woman that brought to you after using her for solution, eat all our money, frustrate her with all our efforts, in your life. Impregnate her, still carry her and the children to road work, even through pregnancy. This stupid man call himself Ajebo. I am here with him. Nusungu. You see for life, for social media space, still be addressing people. What did you have to tell people? You that frustrate our way in Europe. Use our money for prostitution during pregnancy. With pregnancy, take her to road work for men to be sleeping with her. When the woman is still carrying your baby. Even at birth, you couldn't still deliver. You didn't have that. You didn't allow that woman to have rest of mind. With baby on her hand, you still take her to road work for prostitution. The same thing will still come on social media space to be addressing people. What did you have to say, Mr. Man? Will you get inside? You bloody civilian. Stupid bloody civilian. What is what I want? What soon? At bedtime. Are you yes, mommy? What?
My brother. Because not here. If you do aware, if I good talk about good talk because they see where the other woman will not be in it, or that to show where Okoni she's a liar. One that's already we know in the all. Do we make near watch with near watch because this is my first time.
If you are just watching me now, please invite your friends. The former, our sister, she's a former woman who was in a relationship with Ajay, who have 2 children, not wife, because we cannot call her our wife, because she's not our wife. You understand? So a former woman who live in Spain, who Ajay once spoiled in life. Thank God say today, and this woman survived from this mystery. May the gods of our ancestors going to bless our sister in Jesus' name. I mean, please invite your friends and listen to her. She want to clean her innocence. She want to tell everybody, say all those our women we not hear from the woman. They call it say this woman na bad person. Now say they did this one. Today, this our sister want to tell everybody, say there was never a time where all those lie where Ajay lie against her na lie. My sister, continue. Invite your friends.
My brother, no, you don't even need many explanation.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Me when they talk, so I don't hold anybody explanation.
Yes.
You get my point. Why I say I don't hold anybody explanation be say when they carry and they come from Nigeria, that the woman way born for and they talk so.
Okay.
Who never hear me the hear, and the woman way born 2 children from and they talk so. When they carry and they come from Nigeria, not be so like follow come. Now flight.
I told her the year.
You understand? I don't change.
Una the year. Flight. Now this woman take carry and come. Not be Morocco carry and pass. When they miss Suta, all the they pass Morocco the entire house. He carry for flight. And I know how much they take person pass flight into abroad. We will pass lapa enter Europe. You they come here, call the followers they talk. Are you mad? Ajebo, are you now me come Europe? You fly. Me come, you fly. There's difference between when somebody come and when you fly. You fly come Europe. I come Europe. I waka come. Now me myself waka come. Are you mad? I will the same me. You know what's next for road? Are you mad? At the time you said I don't see 99 on the 100. Are you stupid? Me are you not mates? Ajebo, me are you not be mates? I see the letter they know. For this abroad, me are you not be mates? You there abroad. You don't achieve for abroad. Since you there, John, Ajebo, you don't come Europe for me. What you don't achieve? Ajebo, what you don't achieve? I tell you, say I get tenant for house. When they steal my house free of charge, they know they pay $1. Post what you don't achieve for this social media as well. Post on. What you don't achieve for this abroad. Post on. I don't come abroad. I did here with you now. We did the same streets. You don't get document for Germany. Now your wife, now Spanish document, now you get. Me not even get anyone. But when I don't get clear, you never get a clear. Mad man like you. If take a bear, you see me face to face. If you not run, follow me, leave you. You know, say not be frank. Are you mad? Are you serious? Say not to the weird all those are banana native. The weird follow party, the chop of food follow party. It's not be life. After you don't frustrate woman for one corner for years, leave woman. See when they come out for social media, call they talk. Only one picking, let me don't get to. You leave 2 children for Spain with women who used to do road work. Women who used to do road work. You come sit down with mother for you. Not be saying I'm virgin. You leave the person where you are in gonna suffer from Nigeria. Start life together. That one come Europe. Come carry you come. True flights. You don't stress you past Morocco. Carry you come through flight like king. You reach here. Start to use the woman to do road work. Person will get Africa shop before. Before you come, the woman get Africa shop. The woman don't make come for life. You frustrate that woman. You not see this life. If you meet your soulmate, your life will change. If you meet a man who gets sense, who get wisdom, he will change your lifestyle. Majority of our women today, about say no more human trafficking. Majority of our women today were old women, they are still doing road work. Why? Because of this kind of people like Ajebo. You frustrate them when they're young. When they make money, they eat their money. They don't help them plan life. They don't help them. They invest. Instead, they find who already arrived. They find where milk and honey day. Before this woman carry Ajebo come Europe, this woman has suffered. She do the same road work. They bring you come Europe. Hoping say they don't be 2. They be 1 and now they come be 2. The work go less for her. And he go get husband who will assist her. They do things. You come, you impregnate the woman. Still position the woman for the same road work, make they do. Position the woman for the same road work, make they do. And the same you they come and say they praise women, you they worship women, you they respect our women. You are the worstest man so far on this earth. If you talk of the person where humiliate one person than you, me will say they cost me, I never use my do work. If to say I want to use my do woman will come from Nigeria for carry and come. Oh yes. I for carry and come before they go stop the human trafficking, they for carry and enter Europe. I'm not tell the reason, I'm not tell you why I enter Germany. You understand? Animals like you will come, don't talk on social media. You are always talking to animals like you too. Reasonable human being don't listen to you because you are a coward. Reasonable human being can never listen to Ajekpako because you are a coward. You are not a man, you are a disgrace to manhood. A woman that had 2 kids for you, you take her to road work with the kids, and you still come on social media to be ranting. What did you have to offer? What did you have to tell the world? Tell us, what did you have to tell the world? Silly man like you. Proud mom never born for me. You don't get children with me. I see attitude I cannot cope with her.